Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Just give y'all a quick update. I found a new speed run spot, but I didn't have a GPS because I erased the video. Unfortunately, I didn't show it. I had smashed up this GPS testing my Traxxas Slash to see what speeds I was getting. So I ended up breaking the screen. So what had happened was, this was a screen, as y'all know, the top had a little crack in it. I could go back and look at the videos. So I had a good screen, but it stopped working in one of these. So I just took the screen and put it in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack one of these open just to show y'all. So that wire right there is a screen wire. So if you push that in there, it's supposed to be a black tab on there. This doesn't have it. And then you'll be able to put the screen in. Same for this one. See how that tab is there? So sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. Just trying to show y'all something. If y'all got any broke Garmins and they got a few of them, maybe you'll be able to make one of them out of 2 or 3. But anyway, so I'm gonna pop that off just to show y'all. So the screen would go there. I would put the screen there, put this on there, and then you would just want to get this in there. You know, if I had 2 hands, it would be more easy. There was a black tab, which is this. Let me show you guys. See this little black tab? Hold on, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Battery just finished charging. Anyway, so if you see this tab right here, if you unpull it like that, it'll come out. Sorry about that, guys. I am doing this with one hand. And like that. And you'll get this tab out of there, but I don't want it out, so I'm gonna push this back in. Like that. Now, unfortunately, it's supposed to be a tab here, but it's not there, so I would push that back in and hot glue it if I needed to, but this screen doesn't work. I was just showing y'all a quick tip with the Garmins. So I believe this is a 101, and this one is a 201, and then this is my 301. It is actually working. Let me show y'all. Let me turn it off, y'all. Bam. I'm gonna just go ahead and skip through, show y'all everything's working. And everything's working just how I need it. And that was with the screen. If y'all got any Garmins y'all don't want, I can fix these 2. If y'all got a good screen at least. Or if y'all trying to fix one, let me know. Well, the video should show y'all how it's done anyway, but that was just a quick video of something different, man. Fix the GPS. There's a lot of stuff that I end up doing and I never show a video of, so hopefully this helps somebody. Anyway, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So we out testing the Garmin. This is the new screen I put in. So we're gonna wait for it to get find its location. Also, I'm testing out the new speed run. I'm gonna test out 2 things. I want to make sure that this GPS don't shut off no more, and also where I run out of range at, because we got a lot of distance there. It goes way back there to way down there. So just want to see where I'm running out of distance, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's wait for this to find its location, and then we're gonna go ahead and get a 4S speed. All right, YouTube. So we found location. We're about to zero it out. So far, everything's working on the GPS. Timer started. Make sure she reading. This is a 4S pass. It has a mild system in here. I'm gonna show y'all once it's done. Anyway, let me make sure this GPS reader. I ain't getting no reader right now. Alright, yeah, we got a reader. It's at 7.8. So far, so good. Go ahead and get this puller. This ain't nothing but a 4S pass, guys. I ain't looking for nothing major, just trying to test the road out. Make sure everything is everything. We got power lines over here, so I know they gonna be greedy and suck some of this I ain't gonna go that far anyway, but that's pretty deep. I'm pretty down there and I still got reception. So I'm gonna turn it around. We're gonna bring it down. Alright guys, here we come. At full throttle right now. Just a 4S pass, guys. I know y'all was expecting the big boom, but I'm just testing, make sure GPS working and the road is good. Alright y'all, we got 62 on that pass, so we know the GPS is working, we know the road is working, so maybe I'll go up in sales, or I'm not sure. So y'all stay tuned for the next one. I'm waiting on Johnny right now. I'll probably put Johnny run right after this one. And let me show y'all the setup. It does have a stock BLX motor in here. Stock BLX motor. You got a Mamba Monster. This the retro. This the one right here. And I'm running 4S, as y'all see. 3 wires. And this is I don't got nothing on the motor, nothing to keep it cool. Just a quick little setup I threw together to come test the road out. After this, we're actually going to test and tune, so y'all stay tuned for that drag video, test and tune. Our tune spot is right around the corner. But anyway, y'all stay tuned for more. I'll probably add some more speed runs to this video.